It was one elbow. It was one shot. Not me. Leave me alone. 2 more minutes. Leave me alone. Oh, wait. What day is it? Is it a cooking baking video? That could be. Oh snap! I'm super late. Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is TricksterSky here, and this is my first ever real life YouTube video here for you guys to watch for the holidays. Can we get an applause for that? Let's go. Come on, Chad. You guys gotta do better. Come on, let's get a big applause. You guys hit it? Yeah? Alright, cool. Anyhow, before we get started with this awesome YouTube video, please give it a big like, come on. It helps me with the algorithm, and also comment. You guys heard that, right? Comment your favorite part. Because if you don't, I'm gonna bunk you. Anyhow, we're gonna be I keep saying baking chocolate chip cookies. Yes, you guys heard that, right? We're baking chocolate chip cookies. Because come on, I am a cookie, and like, I love cookies, you know? Anyhow, yeah, so, hey, can we have, can we get closer? These are the items we're gonna provide for today. All right, guys, we have our vanilla extract here. We got the butter, the baking soda, the butter flavor cooking spray, the sugar, 2 eggs, the chocolate chip, the baking powder, the sea salt, light brown sugar, and the all-purpose flour, ready for us to make those cookies. You know, the ideal thing is that I hope they come out good. But if not, blame these items. I swear, they're gonna come out good. Let's go. Oh, also, chat, I totally forgot, you know, I'm not in chef attire, but don't worry, I got you guys covered. Ready? Ready? We got here the chef hat. Look, pretty prestigious. We got it at Leonardo Blue, Lacan, or whatever that one university, the cooking one. And we also have this amazing apron. You guys remember this apron? I used this on the first Overcooked stream back in October around there. So yeah, roll that clip for me.
Get the fuck out of here. Stop wasting my time.
Anyhow, we're gonna be wearing this. How's it going, Chad? We are here with our 1 cup of sugar. I'm gonna put this in this little bowl here together. And then we're gonna be adding another cup of the brown sugar here. And yes, Chad, if you were wondering, I did wash my hands. We gotta keep it sanitary here, you know? How's everyone's day so far, huh? Is it good? Oh no, I think I might like... Damn, mom's gonna kill me. All right, Chad, we got a cup of brown sugar here. Easy peasy, you know, first try, no mess here. I disregard that. I'm gonna put it right here, Chad. What the freak? This is like a chocolate fudge ice cream or what? And also we need 1 cup of butter. So I'm a math major, right? So I had to do some math calculations, you know? A lot of calculus, you know? To add up all the ingredients together so you could get the maximum amount of ingredients. So you know, this is 1/2 a cup, this is 1/2 a cup, so 8. What's 1/2 plus 1/2, chat? I'll give you guys a sec. That is correct, yes, it is 1 cup. So you know, this is already 1 cup. 2 pieces of stick of butter. All right, Chad, now we're gonna do 3 cups of the all-purpose flour right here. I'm not sponsored by them, I wish. Why is it so hard? All right, this 1 cup, Chad? Oh, just a little one. All right, Chad, 1 cup of flour, let's go. Ready? We'll put it in this big bowl, 1 cup in there. Bada bing, bada boom, right? Hold on. All right, let's add up the other 2 cups. All right, you know they call me Pro Chef Trickster, because I'm one of a kind. No one can beat me. You guys keep count, because, you know, I might forget. And this is the last cup here. Let's go. Let's go. Can I get a sheesh? Sheesh! Okay, I'm cringe. I'll stop. All right, so here, Chad, this is 3 cups of our flour. Right here, look. Bada bing, bada boom. And yeah, we need... baking soda. We need... How much do we need baking soda? 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All right, Chad, this baking soda. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. They're missing out. So 1 teaspoon. We got right here. All right, look. 1 teaspoon right here, Chad. Boom. Awesome. And then we need 1/2 teaspoon of the baking powder in here as well. You guys seen this? Take notes, Chad. You guys want to become pro chefs like me? And we need, how much salt do we need? We need 1 teaspoon of salt. You know what, Chad? We're gonna improvise, you know? Have y'all seen this, Chad? Ready? Oh, damn. Oh, jeez. Sheesh. Okay, I think that was enough. Dude, I'm in a mess. Don't tell Mom. Shh. Anyway, Chad, yeah, just a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay. And yeah, we got our stuff here. We're gonna mix it right now. So I'll see you guys in a bit again. Oh, I forgot the eggs. Come here. Let's pick up the eggs, Chad. All right. 2 eggs right here, Chad. Oh, we ready? And we ready to continue the baking. Come here, Chad. All right, Chad. We're gonna put this butter here. We're gonna put it here because we're gonna mix the butter with the sugars, with the brown sugar and the other sugar together. And remember, half a cup, Chad. Mathematics. Yeah. And then we're gonna add the sugars together. You know what, Chad? Let's wash our hands. Let's go. All right, Chad. Let's get we gotta give sanitation here. You know. We don't want to get called by the health department saying that we're not sanitized here. We are, you know. Anyhow, let's get started. All right, we're gonna combine the brown sugar here, the 1 cup of sugar. Shee! Oof, that's a lot. Okay, and then also the white sugar here. Let's go. Look at that, Chad. Look at that. That's a beauty. Oh my God. You know who's a beauty too, Chad? You guys are all beautiful people. Let's go. All right, Chad. Now we're gonna be mixing the flour and all that goodies here, and we're gonna combine it with the butter and our sugars in here. Behold. Oof, look at this, Chad. Y'all ready? Oh man, I hope the butter goes on. Oh yes, it did. Awesome. All right, Chad. Now we're gonna be mixing this. Now you're gonna be asking, how are we gonna mix this? Don't worry, Chad. I got you. We got this. We got the vroom. Hold on. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna mix this in the bowl, and then we're gonna start baking them. All right, ready, Chad? Let's go. Okay, hopefully I don't make a mess. Oh, jeez. All right, we're good. Oh, man. Am I making a mess? I don't think I am. Oh, jeez. Okay, we're good. Nah, all right, we're good, Chad. We're not making a mess. We're good. By the way, Chad, don't try this at home. It's kind of hard. I don't want to make a mess here, so, you know. All right, I think it's ready. Hold on. Let me double check it. All right, Chad. We're gonna have the vanilla extract. We need 2 teaspoons of the vanilla extract. 1 vanilla. There's 1 teaspoon. Copy. Another one. 2 teaspoons. Awesome. Let's go. And then after that, we're gonna be adding the 2 eggs in here. How do we do it? All right, Chad. We're gonna put it in here, and then we're gonna boil them together again using this amazing machine. Ready, Chad? Look at this. First try. Oof. Look at this. I'm telling you, Chad, I am husband material. All right, here's the other one. Shee! Okay, I don't know about the last part. It's probably cringe. I'm sorry, Chad. I won't do it again. Part 2, Chad. Be careful. All right, look at this, Chad. Shee! Wait, I said I was gonna stop doing that. I think that's good.
Nope.
Oh, whoa. I don't do that. All right, Chad, we're taking out the cookie there here now on the side, just to make sure that, we don't have any, so we don't waste food, you know? We're trying to get all the cookies here, you know? So we have one right here, squeeze them all. Let's get the other one, Chad, let's go. Look at this. Chad, I kind of want to eat it like this. Oof. Okay. Hey, Chad, you guys are liking the video? If you guys are, please give it a like. Comment your favorite part of the video, please. Please. Alright, Chad, now here comes the last part of the baking video. We're going to be adding the chocolate chips. We have today the 60% cacao, or the cocoa, bittersweet chocolate chips. These are bomb chocolate chips, Chad. Alright, Chad, let's add these. These are 10 ounces. We need 12 ounces, so we're going to put in the whole bag in here. Come on, you want to see this? Oh, actually, is that a lot? Oh, I got to see if these are good, actually. Let's see. Oh, man. These are good. Oof. Alright. Don't worry, Chad. I wash my hands. I promise. Ready? Oh, look at that, Chad. Look at this. Looks delicious, too. Yeah, don't forget to use both hands, Chad. We're gonna get all the chocolate chips in there. And then we're gonna start rolling them to put them in the pan. And we're gonna start baking them in the oven. And hopefully, they come out good. That is the whole goal of us doing this, right, Chad? All right, Chad. I think we're ready. All right, Chad. The last thing that I forgot to do is we're gonna preheat the oven. So it preheats. And then after that, we're gonna use it to bake. So, 375, we're gonna bake. We're gonna put it at 375, Chad. We're gonna start. So that way, when it's ready, it's gonna make that beepy sound, and we're gonna be ready to put our cookies. Then here's the pan, Chad. Put it all together, and we'll go from there. Put a little spray so, it'll stick in there. All right. Alrighty. Oh, also, we're gonna have the air on, just in that way it doesn't get too heat up in here. So then the neighbors can smell the cookies and maybe hopefully they'll knock and be like, hey, bro. So I heard you made cookies and can we taste them? It's like, actually, should we give some to the neighbors? I think that'd be nice, right? Should you, yeah or no? Okay. Yeah, we'll see. So they said 1 tablespoon each, so we have a tablespoon. We got one of these, Chad. Yeah, so we're gonna put one in here and then we're gonna put it here on one on the side. And you wanna make sure that there's some space in between here because you don't want them all to stick together. So that's one shot. All right, chat. We're gonna do. I guess we could do 3. We're gonna do 12 cookies right now and see how they come out. All right, chat. They're already here. We're gonna leave them here for a sec, and until the machine tells us, not the machine, sorry, the oven tells us when it's ready, we'll be ready. All right, chat. The oven is ready. It is 375, and we're ready to freaking bake these cookies. All right, chat. Let's go. Let's open up the oven. Oof, it's kind of hot in here, like my mixtape. We're gonna put the first batch in there, chat. We're gonna do it around here. Oh, don't forget to wear these gloves, because I don't want you all burning. All right, chat. Here's the second pan. We're gonna have it in here too. I guess I'll put it on top. And we're gonna be waiting for them for 8 to 10 minutes. So we're gonna keep them there for 9 minutes and 30 seconds. So here, come here, chat. I want you guys to see the timer. 9:30 seconds. Bada bing, bada boom. And I'll see you guys soon. Let's go. All right, chat, the 10-minute mark has passed, and let's see how the cookies came out. I think they came out good. Let's see. Oh, God.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
It don't matter. Let's see. It's all about the taste, not how it looks like. Come here, chat. Let's go. Shit! Oh, actually, we need something to put them on something. Hold on. Stay there, chat. Look at the oven. All right, chat, I found it. Look, this is what I was looking for. All right, chat, we're gonna put that right there. All right, chat, like I said, it's all about the taste. So we're gonna leave these outside for about 2 minutes so they could cool down. And then the other pads have put at the bottom, and this should be done pretty quickly. All right, chat, you know we put the other pan right here. Right now it's cooled down. Cameraman, you wanna see it? All right, now we're gonna get the other pads out right now, chat, because the other ones are, it's ready, actually. So look. Sheesh! This is the second pad, chat. We had to do all the cookie down there. Put that out on top. Alright, let's turn everything off now. Cancel off. Alright, chat, we're gonna get a plate right now with cookies. We're gonna get our cup of milk. We're gonna do a quality test, and I'm hoping that it tastes good. But yeah, look at the pad, chat. Look at it. Admire it. Done, but the one and only TricksterSky. Alright, chat, we're back. Look at this amazing plate of cookie. Look at this, chat. Look. Oof. Now, I got my cookie here, I got my milk here, and you know what? It's time to quality test this bad boy. So, alright. Oh. Alright, chat, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's see how this is. Alright. First bite! Oh! Wow. I'm not even capping. This thing's good. Oh, jeez. Look, another bite, chat. Y'all want some, chat? Here you go. It's all yours. All right. Damn, those cookies are good. Oh my god, we did a good job, chat. Run it, flies the run. Let's go. All right, chat. So I'm gonna go finish these cookies right now. But I have a little message for you guys all. I'll be right back again. I'm gonna be in my room right now. I gotta clean up. Look at this mess. Look at that. Look. What is that? Look, I have a mess right there, chat, so I have to clean it up right now. So yeah, other than that, chat, I'll just catch you guys right now in a bit. I have a message for you guys before the year ends, and we'll go from there, chat. All right, I really appreciate it. BRB, stay. Hello everyone, this is TricksterSky here. Really hope you guys enjoyed the baking cookie chocolate chip video that you guys watched not too long ago. I really hope you guys enjoyed it because it was tons of fun. And it was just kind of a sort of a reward and celebration for us hitting the 100 subscriber on YouTube. We might think that it's not a big number, but it is a big number for me because these are 100 legit real life people that are following me and that are subbed to the YouTube channel. So thank you so much. And also I want to say thank you for all the support you guys have been giving me, not just on YouTube, but also on Twitch, on twitch.tv/TricksterSky. This year, when I first started doing the streaming content for you guys, it's been a road this year. I'm not gonna say it's been easy, but it's been worth it. Knowing that, like, I make you guys smile, knowing that I make you guys, you know, make your day a bit better. That's what keeps me going, and I really hope that I keep doing this as much as I can. Also, have an amazing Merry Christmas, have an amazing Happy New Year's with your family, with your loved ones, with people that you really care about. Really hope you guys have an amazing upcoming year of 2022. I will tell this to my family members, and I'm gonna tell you guys as well. Please, you know, have some goals for the following year. For the year 2022. They don't have to be big, they don't have to be extravagant, but it's something to work on for the following, because I feel like everyone has something to work on. And it could be about anything. But I did jot down some stuff for next year, for things that I would like to work on and things that I would like to, you know, kind of either accomplish or get closer and closer to that goal, that are kind of long-term goals for me. Other than that, chat, the immense support you guys have shown me this year has been phenomenal. It has been like out of this world. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now that I love you guys, know that when I stream, I don't do it because I will need to, but because I want to. And it's an honor. It's an honor doing this for you guys. Yeah. So thank you guys so much. I will see you guys the year of 2022. I got a lot of good ideas, a lot of bigger ideas for the year 2022, and I cannot wait to show you all. Have a good one. I'll see you guys next year. I love y'all. Live long. What is it? Love ling. No, never for that. Love. I forgot the word. Anyway, long live the cookie jar, chat. Because we are the cookies here. Love y'all. Take it easy. Oh, here's a heart too. Like this, yeah. Wait, no, that's hold on. Right there. Yeah. Alrighty. Bye bye, guys. Happy New Year's. Let's go.